Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Identify acidic groups in the molecule. The compound contains I, a sulfonic acid group, SO3H, 2, a carboxylic acid group, CO2H, 3, a phenolic OH group on the ring, 4, an alcoholic CHO group, and V, a terminal alkyne CCH. Moving on to the next step. Understand reactivity with NiHCO3. NiHCO3 is a mild base, pKa of H2CO3 6.35 for first dissociation. It reacts with acids stronger than carbonic acid. The groups that react with NiHCO3 are sulfonic acids, very strong acid, and carboxylic acids, pKa 4-5. Phenols, pKa 10, alcohols, pKa 16, and terminal alkynes, pKa 25, do not react with NiHCO3. Moving on to the next step. First reaction with NiHCO3, superscript 14 indicates labeled carbon. The most acidic group reacts first. Sulfonic acid, pKa -1, is stronger than carboxylic acid, pKa 4-5. However, both SO3H and CO2H react with NiHCO3 to release CO2 gas. Wait, sulfonic acids react with NiHCO3 but do not release CO2, they simply form sodium sulfonate salt. Carboxylic acids react with NiHCO3 to release CO2 gas, A. So in the first step, CO2H plus NiHCO3 CO2, gas A, plus H2O plus sodium carboxylate salt. The labeled 14 on NiHCO3 means the CO2 produced is 14 CO2, but molecular mass of CO2 is equal to 44. Wait, but the superscript 14 means carbon, 14, so molecular mass of 14 CO2 is equal to 14 plus 16 plus 16 equals 46. Gas A is equal to 14 CO2, molecular mass is equal to 46. And for the final step. Second reaction with NiHCO3. After the CO2H has reacted, product B still contains SO3H group. Sulfonic acid is a strong acid, pKa -1, and reacts with NiHCO3 to release CO2 gas, C, SO3H plus NiHCO3 sodium sulfonate plus CO2, gas C, plus H2O. Gas C is equal to CO2, regular, unlabeled from NiHCO3, molecular mass is equal to 44. A plus C is equal to 46 plus 44 equals 90. A, 88 would be 44 plus 44, ignoring the 14C label, C, 92 would be 46 plus 46, incorrectly labeling both, D, 40 is too small. Option B, 90 is equal to 46 plus 44 correctly accounts for 14 CO2 from the carboxylic acid reacting first with labeled Na14 CO3 and regular CO2 from sulfonic acid reacting with regular NiHCO3 in the second step. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.